Today, I am introducing you a bottom-up solution for CBC. This formula will weigh us to know whether to terminate CBC, to continue with it or to postpone. Now, I've come up with a magic triangle. This formula assists us to get the distance, and the distance is equal to speed times time taken. Now, CBC will take the place of time, and ED, that is economic development, will take the place of speed, and economic acceleration will take the place of time. So to get a quality CBC, we will have a quality CBC is equal to economic development times economic acceleration. So for any country to support CBC properly, it should be economically equipped, and that economically equipped should go with economic acceleration. That is to mean economic acceleration is the time taken to achieve economic development. Also, we can take ED we can take X to replace ED, and X here, because most parents have been complaining that CBC is a burden to them. Why? Because these parents don't have pesa mfukoni. The same way, or this is from what Mr. Musalia said, that Kenya Kwanza should ensure that watu wako na pesa mfukoni. Now, the value of X here should be equal to or more than 100k in less than a year. To support my magic triangle and a bottom-up solution, here we do have the main concern. The main concern is about the Maslow hierarchy of needs. In the case of USA, they introduced the K-12 equal to our CBC after 189 years of independence. In fact, they introduced it in 1965 after being a developed nation in the year 1942. That is approximately 25 years. Now, we Kenyans, are we developed? The answer is no. And bear in mind that K-12 is equal to economic development of any nation. That means if you are weak economically, you are not able to introduce or to sustain a quality education. Any system of education should be supported with a nation which has committed itself. Now, I had talked earlier on about the Maslow hierarchy of needs. That after one need has been achieved or has been achieved successfully, the one need drives the force for the next need to be accomplished. Look at this pyramid. Where are we as Kenyans? I'm sure we are still here in physiological needs, that is basic needs. That is why in northeastern parts of Kenya, people cry of hunger. people are dying. There is also issue of insecurity. Now, let me read for you. According to Maslow, individuals are motivated by unsatisfied needs. As each of these needs is significantly satisfied, it derives and forces the next need to emerge. I'm just trying to mean, for us to introduce CBC to a level that we can say now we are now achieving the fourth need in the hierarchy of needs. We have to be economically strong, and that means we should not be crying anymore about what is happening here. So I hope that this formula, you see the magic triangle, will weigh us to know where we are. However, with Kenya Kwanza's manifesto under His Excellency the Deputy and His Excellency William Ruto, I'm sure that with his accelerated economic model, everything is possible. Yes, we can. Right now, we don't have money. No money for development, as I can quote what our DB Rigiji said, that we don't have money for development. And CBC is equal to economic development. Therefore, when we are committed, we can achieve. Hope we are going to use this formula to make sure that everything runs properly and we come up with a sound conclusion. Thanks. Enough.